Hello, my name is Aminu Ahmadu. I'm a property millionaire. I am the co-founder of Niyama Assets. I have just been to the advanced course for Harry and Lily because I want to take my journey to the next level. I want to go into public speaking and organizing workshops. But I will tell you what, this 2-day experience has been phenomenal because I have been taught a lot of things about public speaking. I'm not a very confident person in terms of public speaking. I can literally hide away from public speaking, but right now I am a tiger ready to go out there to speak to people in the public. They've broken it down from how you need to structure your presentation to how you can sell from stage. People out there, I'm telling you, it is worth it because it's a hands-on experience. They literally hold you by the hand and make it happen for you. Harry and Lily, they're just the best thing. They're amazing, and I look forward to meeting you in the mastermind group. Thank you.